and it's back to school time. And are you struggling for the ideas of what to pack in the kids' lunchboxes all the time? Courtney Ralston is here to share a perfect and healthy recipe the kids are going to love. Welcome to the show, darling. Thank you for helping us.
Thank you. Hey, is it too late to say Happy New Year? I never...
No, not at all. Not if you haven't seen anyone,
Are we
no.
still saying Happy New Year? Happy New Year.
You say whatever you want.
Yeah, we're all going back to school now soon enough, so lunchbox snacks are
I think
great.
there'll be a lot of relieved parents across the whole nation
for sure,
that
yeah.
are going back to school.
Correct.
And we're saying back to school, this is a good one for the adults as well.
Yep.
So we're making a berry and oat slice. So I'm going to put you guys to work.
100%.
So it's relatively healthy, it's pretty economical to make, and it's very easy. So it ticks a lot of boxes.
So we're not going to get one of those notes from the teacher. You know that you've got a naughty food and then you publicly shame?
No,
Okay.
I really hope not.
Okay,
Yeah.
good.
Okay, so in here, I've got 2 bananas. The older, the better. The bananas that are in your fruit bowl that have gone black, they've got all the sweetness in them. Tristan, I'm going to get you to measure out 2 cups of oats.
Oh, my favourite
and
part of the day.
Jess,
Wow.
you can tip in. So this is coconut milk, so there's no
Okay.
dairy in this. A cup of coconut milk from
I
a
tip
can.
this in?
Tip it in.
Right.
I do all the wet ingredients first. A couple of tablespoons of, you've done that before.
I have
it.
not.
A couple of tablespoons of honey gives us sweetness, but it's not loaded with sugar.
Well, that's the thing, yeah,
or with
because I love
butter.
all these bars, but the ones that we tend to get from the supermarket, they're full of sugar.
They're full of sugar, and often the homemade ones have got lots of butter in them as well. A bit of cinnamon for flavour.
A bit of cinnamon.
Cinnamon and some vanilla. Done.
Ooh, that looks good
Jess,
already.
you can mix that.
I'd love to.
A pinch of salt whenever I make porridge. Don't know about you, Tristan.
Yeah,
a
no,
pinch of salt
I'm with
goes
you on
in.
that one for sure.
So now you can
Where would
tip
you-
in 2 cups of oats.
Into here, yeah.
It's literally, that's it.
They're beautifully measured oats, Tristan.
I tell you. Do you know what I love about these things as well, though? It's because you can make them. I say the word bulk. I don't know if that's the word for it or not, but you can keep a lot of them, can't you? How long will they stay for?
The bars,
Yeah.
easy a week.
Easy a week.
Easy a week. You were very shy on the...
Oh.
If it was a Guinness, I'm sure you would have filled it to the top, Tristan. Come on.
Yeah.
He ripped it up. And it doesn't
Pull your
matter.
oats like a man, Tristan. Pull your oats like a man.
Imagine if someone gave you a 3/4 pint of Guinness. You would like.
Well, no, I get that. You know, but that's what I ate this morning. So I'm underfeeding myself in the mornings, then that's what it is.
And pepita seeds. If your schools are saying no seeds, you can leave the seeds out.
Right.
Why would
If you
want
wanna-
to say no seeds?
Well, I don't know. Like, look, with
Who knows these
everything,
days?
who knows
Yeah.
these days? So that's basically it. You can add in some berries if you want to do an adult version, dates, pistachios.
Okay.
You know, we're saying it's for kids. Mix that up, and then Jess, it gets literally poured into a lined, what's this, like 20 by 20 cake tin.
Right.
Doesn't matter what shape, whatever. You could cook it in a frying pan lined with some paper. Doesn't matter.
Do you want me to do it?
Tip it in.
Superb.
Tip it in, and it goes into a 180-degree oven
Yeah.
for around 35 to 40 minutes.
Oh, wow.
And all it's doing is basically setting, so it's a really, like, moist, dense kind of muesli bar compared to the
Yeah.
crunchy break-your-teeth one.
Oh, I'm into it.
Magic of TV. This one has been in my oven this morning. 35 minutes, it sets, and then you can cut it into bars.
Beautiful.
Or you can eat the whole thing yourself.
That'll be good if your kids are, especially when your kids are missing a couple of teeth, you need it to be softer, don't you? Like, seriously?
Or nana.
Yeah,
Or nana. Or nana.
It looks very healthy, but it looks delicious as well. So where are you storing that? You're saying it lasts for a week.
Yeah, either in a cool cupboard or you could store it in the fridge.
Right.
And then if you really want to get crazy, I got some white chocolate here that I've just melted in a Ziploc bag. It's my little trick. And then you
all right.
literally can just drizzle that over.
Genius.
It's not going to set out here in the courtyard in this sun, but let that sit for 10 minutes in a cool kitchen
Right.
and you're good to go.
I'd even put that on the bench if the other mums came around. You know how people have delicious looking things. Like, sorry, I just whipped this. This look gorgeous.
This is it. This is ready. Under an hour, really economical ingredients. We're saying back to school or after school snacks, but there's no reason a cup of coffee, latte, cup of chino in the morning.
Oh, well,
It'd
that's
be
how you
very-
make them.
Yeah.
What would the kids look like while they're eating them?
Well, as I said, you'd let the chocolate
A little
set.
bit like
But
this.
get into it. Like
you
that's
want us
it.
to? We
Opens,
know to you.
opens the
Yeah.
opens the
With
lunchbox,
that, is
picks
it
it up
fingers?
like this, and says, "Look what my mummy made,
Yeah.
or my daddy made me this morning."
Yeah.
Oh,
And they're good.
they'll
They're,
be like, I can't wait to go to school tomorrow with these.
I can't have three of us with a mouthful of this. But as I said, tick so many boxes. Healthy. They're not going to send the kids wild with sugar.
No.
Relatively healthy. And you can mix and match if you've got whatever dried fruit, nuts, seeds, and,
And, you
cover
know,
at home.
and to boot, they're beautiful as well. For more of Courtney's healthy recipes, check out her Instagram at Courtney Ralston. Thanks so much for joining us today. Thanks for feeding us.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. There you go. Yeah.